is a solvent. It is a flammable solvent.
Can you tell us when it's about to blow up?
There's my methanol in there. I've also got something called copper sulfate in there. Copper sulfate is a salt. What metal is in that salt? Copper, right? And copper is going to be excited. It's going to give us a bluish or greenish hue.
Let's do this.
I'm hyped.
Hey, what are you doing? Film me!
Methanol. When it burns,
Film
there's
me.
no metal in methanol, but it does give us a color on its own. So methanol is a bluish color. The copper sulfate will give us a greenish color. I'm going to kill these lights over here.
Can you kill these
Don't
lights?
kill the
Can I get you
lights.
to
The
give us
lights
just
live.
a tiny bit on the...
Hey, turn your light off. Turn your light off.
Yep.
Turn your flashlight off.
Actually, let's do the second one. Just a little bit, yeah. Okay, now
That's
we
a
can kill the
lot.
lights.
That's a
All
lot.
right. So we're lighting our methanol here.
If you can.
3, 2, 1. Can you count down?
What the heck?
Alright, let's turn it down a little farther.
It's green.
It's green and blue.
Alright, so the green is from the copper sulfate. Now, remember hot fluids rise, and if you've ever seen a tornado, that is there because hot fluids are rising with a lateral flow around the middle. So, we can see,
It's a rainbow.
That's so cool.
Whoa.
if we spin this guy right here, then we are able to generate the right currents of air to give ourselves a fire tornado. Now,
It's like a short
that means that we've
fire.
got hot air from the flames rising. There's some cold air being pulled down. We've got a draft going across the sides. That lateral flow of air is what gives us our tornado right here. So the blue nature of the flame comes from the base that is burning the methanol, right? That green nature of the flame comes from the copper in the copper sulfate. And there are other salts that would give us different colors, right? There's a little bit of yellow in there, and that's because I've done this demonstration before with table salt. Table salt is usually sodium chloride, right? So that sodium is going to be giving us a little bit of the yellowish and orangish that we see.
How long will it burn?
Sodium chloride iodine because it's usually iodine.
Yes, there is a little bit of iodine for the most part in those things. Oh, I want to talk over you guys. I added some strontium nitrate. Strontium is the metal of this salt. This one's going to be a little more finicky if we can get our strontium to properly dissolve in methanol, which is difficult because strontium is very polar. All ionic compounds are going to come apart in other polar molecules, but our methanol is non-polar, just like our isopropyl alcohol. So the strontium might not quite cooperate as much as our copper does. But we'll give it a shot anyways. When you do successfully get copper and strontium excited simultaneously to high energy levels, the combination of those two metals will generally give you a purple color. So we'll keep our eyes out for a little bit of purple.
Fire tornado.
I see the purple.
I see a little bit.
Can you set it higher?
It's
Still
at
lots
the
of
bottom.
green. I can see kind of purple.
Yeah, me too.
But
Again,
with the
it's a lot of orange though.
Yeah.
It's much more orangish than it was
Can you
before.
spin it faster? I see a little bit of purple.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for. So we're hoping, I think that the purple may come from the combination of orange and green. That might be where we're getting.
I think the purple.
I'm not sure. I don't actually,
Faster and
I
higher.
haven't looked into a whole lot of the chemistry of the strontium copper
purple is-
interaction.
The purple is below the orange. The balloon's getting fairly big.
Oh, thank you for pointing that out. See,
Ooh,
it's
orange
still
and purple,
okay.
sweet.
I want to watch it shrink.
It'll shrink on its own as the methanol runs out. Alright, so I think we saw a little bit of purple there. I feel like I can see a little
Oh yeah.
bit.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, in the center.
Yeah, so this is the combination of our strontium and our copper.
Oh, there's a
Oh, I
lot
bought
of
something
yellow stuff.
like this. It does like the exact same thing. It's like magic fire or something. And magic flame. Yeah. Makes the fire go all sorts.
Yeah, so that's going to be by